Let's explore the cooling breathing practice from yoga, Shitali Pranayama. In this breathing technique, we cool down our system internally. For this, as we inhale, we roll our tongue like this. Then we close our mouth and exhale through the nose slowly. Please try it. In case you're not able to roll your tongue, proceed to the video of Shitali Pranayama. It gives the same benefits. Let's prepare ourselves. Sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your body, hands on your knees, spine erect, gently stretching up, shoulders relaxed, a beautiful smile on the face. Breathe. Observe the breath. Stay here, taking yourselves inwards and gently anchoring your awareness to your heart. Let's begin. Roll your tongue and draw the air in slowly, feeling the coolness. Close the mouth and exhale gently through the nose. Notice the cooling sensation spreading through the body. Let's do it 4 more times. Roll your tongue, inhale through the mouth. Close. Exhale slowly through the nose. Let's repeat. Roll your tongue and inhale through the mouth. Close and exhale slowly through the nose. Try to make your exhalations longer, feeling the coolness within. 2 more times. Roll your tongue, inhale through the mouth. Close and gently exhale completely through the nose. One last time. Roll your tongue. Inhale deeply through the mouth. Close. Exhale slowly through your nose. Relax. Observe the cooling sensations spreading throughout your body. This pranayama is especially helpful in hot weather or during emotional stress or whenever you need to invite calmness and clarity. Join your hands together in front of your chest, rub your palms. place the base of your hands on your eyes. With a beautiful smile, move your hands away from your face. Blink your eyes open, looking at your hands. Thank you for joining in.